Right, just thought I'd put a quick video out how we're getting on with the 155. Work has been manic here at Thoroughbred, so I haven't really had a lot of time, and I haven't spent any weekends working on this project. Just been doing a few hours here and there where we can, but since last video, I just thought there's something here to talk about, so I thought I might whack a video out. Everything was stripped down last time, as you'll know, so we're beginning to put we have put the rear end back on together, rear subframes back in, fuel tanks back in. The straps did survive, rubbed them down, treated them. I'm happy with them. So everything's back on there. Again, the calipers are the original ones. We just gave them a freshen up. I'm not 100% happy, but it's enough to move on. The brake compensator lived as well. We gave that a good once over. Getting there. So shocks, brake lines all been plumbed back in, fuel lines been plumbed back into the back. Yeah, it's looking good. Good bit of news, the wheels just turned up. Actually had a bit of a dilemma on these. I'm not going to bore you, but the outer rim should be diamond cut. The wheel guys said if they diamond cut it, we would lose the stamps there, the Alfa Romeo speed line, etc. As two of them had already been cut down, wouldn't have made it for another cut. So we decided just to, it's a different paint finish on it. I don't know if this you can see on the video, but the outside where it should be diamond cut has been a different paint finish to the inside, sort of more matty, I suppose, on the inside. But just thought I would try it with two just to see if I liked it. It's the right decision. I don't want to lose the stamps. So I'm happy with the outcome. Told them to go ahead with the others. We've whacked on 4 new Falcon tyres whilst we had them off. So yeah, that's the finish for those. Let me know what you think, but I think we've done it justice. So yeah, it's getting there. A couple of other little jobs. The side skirts have come off. That was a bit of a pig whilst it was still on the ramp, but managed to get there, and it's good news. Obviously it needs to be cleaned up, but there's no rust holes. I'm really happy with that. We was expecting the worst. So obviously this is all going to be rubbed down and treated, but no welding needed. There's a little bit coming through here, which we knew going back there, but by the time we get all that undercoat peeled off, treated, there shouldn't be any need for welding. So little victory there. Little jobs have been knocking off in the evenings where I can. The shock absorbers, again, like the rears, Monroes were more or less new. So we've kept them, cleaned them up, cleaned up the road springs, renewed the bump stops and the covers there, renewed the mounts, the rubber mounts there, and the actual top mounts have all been renewed. That's lovely. Started on a drive shaft the other day, so we've got one out, cleaned completely, re-greased, new boots, lick of paint, all back together. Happy with that one. Got to start on the other one. Just having a bit of a CV boot crisis at the moment, but I will get the other two and we can get them tarted up. And again, in the evenings, I'm going to tackle these. We're going to have new ABS sensors, new bearings, and I want these hubs themselves all shot blasted and painted up nicely. So yeah, it's just going to be niceness. Overall, slowly getting there. The quarter panels aren't actually on, they've just been dry fitted. I'm happy with that. There's a bit more to do here and there. getting them back on and getting them resealed. Just struggling a bit with the fuel filler neck there, but a bit of tinkering. Yeah, I've also treated the inside of the boot and done some wiring with some nice sort of tidied up all the wiring in there. It's looking good. I'll give you a view on that a bit later. But yeah, signing out. I will do another video when I've got something else to say.